Imagine standing on a busy street corner and asking people about their greatest wish. Most would say they want to be rich. However, if you then ask them how they plan to achieve this, many will lack a clear answer. Wealth means different things to different people. For some, it's the ability to afford daily necessities, while for others, it means having abundant money, luxury cars, assets, and the freedom to travel. Regardless of your personal definition of wealth, if you're watching this video, you're likely looking to improve your financial situation. The core message of this video is straightforward. To achieve something you've never achieved before, you must do things you've never done before. This often involves stepping out of your comfort zone. You've probably heard this advice before, but what you need now are practical tips rather than just philosophical ideas. This video will provide 6 specific sacrifices you can make to escape poverty and start building wealth. 1. Sacrifice your comfort zone. In Carol Dweck's book, Mindset: The New Psychology of Success, she emphasizes that success is not just about natural ability, but about the belief that abilities can grow and improve. This growth mindset is crucial for changing how you perceive the world and yourself. People who are wealthy and those who are poor often have fundamentally different ways of thinking. For instance, my father used to say that rich people are never happy, despite having so much money. He believed he was happier being poor. Sadly, this belief became his reality, as our family struggled financially, often without proper meals or schooling. Studies show that mindset accounts for about 80% of financial success, with skill and hard work contributing only 20%. The first step out of poverty is to change how you view yourself and your potential. 2. Sacrifice your free time. The phrase, "time is money," isn't just a cliche. It's a truth observed by many successful people. Have you ever wondered why some individuals accomplish so much more in a day than others? It all boils down to time management. Successful people master their time, maximizing productivity within the same 24 hours everyone has. If you want to progress financially, you need to use your time more efficiently. For instance, if you work a 9-to-5 job, consider how you spend your evenings. Do you relax and watch TV, or do you invest a few hours in learning new skills or working on a side project that could generate passive income? The small choices you make daily can significantly influence your financial future. Sacrificing leisure time might be tough, but the long-term benefits are substantial. 3. Sacrifice mediocrity. While hard work is crucial, it's not just about putting in long hours, but working smartly. Early risers who adhere to routines like the 5 a.m. club, as advocated by Robin Sharma, may gain productivity, but early mornings alone don't guarantee financial success. To move beyond poverty, you must optimize how you work. Everyone has the same 24 hours each day, but the difference lies in how effectively you use that time. Focus on high-return activities and avoid those that don't significantly contribute to your goals. Working smart means strategically investing your time in tasks that yield the highest returns. 4. Sacrifice self-gratification. Wealth accumulation, barring a sudden windfall, requires careful planning and disciplined financial management. Breaking free from poverty often involves making short-term sacrifices in self-indulgence. This could mean cutting back on social outings, shopping sprees, or expensive dining. Saving money is crucial, but it's not enough on its own. Learning to invest wisely is equally important. Today, you can access a wealth of information through books, online resources, and courses to enhance your financial literacy. Although this may require short-term sacrifices and discipline, the long-term rewards of financial stability and security make it worthwhile. Sacrifice your emotions. Humans naturally seek approval and worry about others' opinions. This often leads to emotional decisions that can impede financial progress. For example, you might hesitate to sell your car due to concerns about others' perceptions, even if selling it could provide crucial funds for a business investment. To succeed financially, shift your focus from seeking approval to evaluating the outcomes of your decisions. If your current job or social circle doesn't support your financial goals, don't be afraid to make changes. Prioritizing your financial success over others' opinions is essential for progress. Sacrifice your academic credentials. Consider my friend who spent 4 challenging years becoming a mechanical engineer. After graduation, she faced repeated rejections in her job search. Instead of giving up, she decided to take control of her situation and now owns one of the busiest restaurants in her town. Her story highlights that success isn't solely determined by academic credentials. Don't let your certificates confine you. Opportunities abound if you're willing to seek them out and take unconventional paths to success. Exploring unconventional business ideas with minimal investment can kickstart your journey to financial independence. Your potential isn't limited by your formal education. It lies in your determination and willingness to explore new opportunities. No one wants to remain poor, but not everyone is willing to make the necessary sacrifices to change their situation. The path out of poverty is challenging and uncomfortable, but if you persevere, the rewards will make the journey worthwhile. Congratulations on deciding to change your financial future. Now, it's time to make those tough sacrifices and put in the work to escape poverty. I hope you find value in this video. If you do, consider sharing it with your friends and family. It could be a transformative experience for them as well. Your likes and comments are deeply appreciated as they help the video reach more people.